The human reproductive system stands as a marvel of biological engineering designed for continuing life on Earth. This intricate machinery functions with singular purpose, ensuring the survival of our species through every generation. The male reproductive system acts as a specialized production center focused on creating and delivering sperm. These vital gametes are produced within the testes, which are carefully tucked away for optimal development. The scrotum maintains a precise, cooler temperature, which is absolutely essential for healthy, viable sperm production. Once these cells have matured within the epididymis, they begin their long journey through the body. They travel through the vas deferens, a narrow tube acting as a conduit for the male gametes. Along this path, they are mixed with nutrient-rich fluids originating from the prostate and seminal vesicles. This combination forms semen, a protective medium that ensures millions of sperm are prepared for fertilization. This intricate process ensures that every single sperm is ready for the arduous journey toward life. Meanwhile, the female reproductive system serves as the cradle of life, housing the ovaries since birth. Within these delicate structures, thousands of eggs remain dormant, waiting for the signal to begin development. Each month, a single mature egg is released during ovulation, beginning its descent toward the uterus. The egg travels gracefully through the fallopian tubes, pushed along by microscopic cilia lining the walls. Simultaneously, the uterus prepares a nutrient-rich lining, thickening its walls to support a potential new pregnancy. This biological preparation is a rhythmic monthly cycle that defines the female reproductive capacity for life. Every tissue layer thickens with blood vessels, creating a hospitable environment for a future developing embryo. The coordination between these hormonal signals and physical changes is nothing short of a biological miracle. The body works in perfect harmony, aligning the release of the egg with the uterine preparation. This synchronization ensures that if fertilization occurs, the zygote finds a home ready for its arrival. It is a testament to the precision of nature, where every microscopic detail serves a purpose. The male and female systems operate independently, yet are perfectly calibrated for their eventual, inevitable convergence. Each component, from the smallest gland to the largest organ, plays a role in this cycle. The complexity of these systems highlights the incredible evolutionary path that humans have traveled over millennia. Life begins here, in the quiet, hidden chambers of the body, where biology meets the future. The production of gametes is a continuous, tireless effort that sustains the potential for human existence. Millions of cells are produced, yet only one is required to spark the flame of life. This abundance is a safeguard, ensuring that the journey toward fertilization is successful despite many obstacles. The female system remains equally vigilant, protecting the egg and preparing the womb with great care. As the egg moves, it carries the genetic legacy of the mother, ready to meet the father. The fallopian tube acts as a bridge, a narrow passage where the first steps occur. The uterine lining waits like a soft, velvet bed, rich with the resources needed for growth. Everything is poised for the moment of union, a microscopic event with monumental consequences for humanity. The biological engineering involved here is far more complex than any machine ever built by humans. It is a self-regulating, self-sustaining masterpiece of evolution that has persisted through countless generations of ancestors. From the testes to the ovaries, the body is a factory of life, constantly renewing itself. The temperature control in the scrotum is a perfect example of how specific the body's needs. Without this precise regulation, the delicate process of sperm maturation would simply fail to take place. Similarly, the hormonal shifts in the female body dictate the timing of the entire reproductive cycle. These hormones act as chemical messengers, ensuring that every part of the system is perfectly synchronized. The prostate gland adds its own unique contribution, providing the necessary nutrients for the long journey. It is a collaborative effort between different organs, all working toward the same singular biological goal. The journey of the sperm is a race against time, requiring speed and strength to succeed. The journey of the egg is a steady, rhythmic progression toward the waiting, welcoming uterine environment. Both paths are fraught with challenges, yet the body provides everything needed to overcome them all. This is the foundation upon which every human life is built, a silent, powerful biological engine. The continuity of our species depends entirely on the flawless execution of these microscopic, vital processes. We are the result of this engineering, a testament to the success of these ancient systems. Every detail, from the fluid composition to the uterine thickness, is a result of evolutionary perfection. The reproductive system is not just a set of organs, but a complex, life-sustaining biological network. It represents the bridge between the past and the future, carrying the genetic code forward indefinitely. As the egg reaches the uterus, the stage is set for the next, most critical phase. The preparation is complete, the cells are ready, and the potential for new life is immense. This is the story of our beginning, written in the language of cells and chemical signals. It is a story that repeats itself in millions of bodies every single day across Earth. The miracle of human life is rooted in this microscopic, precise, and highly efficient biological design. We carry this legacy within us, a blueprint for the future of our entire human species. The male and female contributions are distinct, yet they are two halves of a single whole. Together, they form the miracle of human life, a process that continues to define our existence. Thus, the stage is set for the convergence that will eventually create a new human being. As the male and female systems converge, the process of fertilization initiates a profound biological transformation. Millions of sperm race toward the waiting egg, driven by an ancient, instinctual urge to succeed. Only one single resilient sperm manages to penetrate the outer shell, triggering an immediate chemical reaction. This reaction instantly seals the egg, ensuring a unique genetic union that will define a new life. The resulting fusion creates a zygote, a single cell containing the complete genetic blueprint for an individual. This microscopic marvel holds the entire potential of a human being within its singular, complex structure. As the zygote travels toward the uterus, it undergoes rapid, rhythmic cellular division, growing in complexity. Eventually, the developing cluster implants itself firmly into the nutrient-rich lining of the maternal endometrium. This critical stage marks the true beginning of embryonic development, where life begins to take shape. The placenta quickly forms, acting as a vital bridge to provide essential oxygen and life-sustaining nutrients. Over the next 9 months, these cells differentiate into specialized tissues, forming the foundation of organs. The tiny embryo grows steadily, protected within the womb, while its internal systems begin to function. Heartbeats emerge from the silence, a rhythmic pulse signaling the presence of a developing, living soul. Limbs begin to bud and features sharpen as the microscopic blueprint manifests into a tangible form. Every stage of this growth is guided by the elegant, precise instructions encoded within the DNA. The process culminates in the birth of a new life, a moment of profound biological triumph. This cycle represents the ultimate bridge between generations, sustaining the continuity of the human species today. Through incredible, microscopic precision, the miracle of human life unfolds, proving the resilience of our biology. Each birth serves as a testament to the complex engineering that governs our very existence here. We are the result of this ancient, uninterrupted chain of life, stretching back through countless generations. The journey from a single cell to a complex human being remains a truly breathtaking phenomenon. Nature works in silence, orchestrating these microscopic events with a perfection that defies our simple understanding. As the infant enters the world, the cycle completes, yet it simultaneously prepares for the future. This biological legacy continues, ensuring that the story of humanity persists against the passage of time. It is a delicate, powerful dance of cells, molecules, and energy, all working toward one goal. The miracle of life is not merely a biological event, but a profound continuation of existence. Every breath taken by the newborn is a celebration of the intricate systems that made it. We stand in awe of this process, recognizing the depth of our own origin and growth. The connection between the past and the future is forged in the quietude of the womb. Life persists, evolving and thriving through the remarkable engineered precision of our own human reproductive systems.